Jabil Austria. Julian Schneider should be online. E-manufacturing. Well, ideas of you can be developed on a bigger level, so you can cooperate with Jabil Austria. So welcome from my side, Julian Schneider. I would like to present to you Jabil Vienna. Who is Jabil? What is Jabil? Jabil is an American company group. Well, we are 260,000 employees in more than 100 places. We started with electronic production, but now we have already departments in other fields. So here we have a lot of partners in our company group. The Viennese group has been founded 2002. Former, it was a place of company Philips. We have 155 employees, 6,700 square meters, 1,500 manufacturing space. We have certain certifications, as you can see on the left side, until 9,100. We are developing very precise electrical mechanical systems, operation robots, consumer applications, automotive, counters and printers. We are a one-stop shop solution. So you can start at any place. You can start with design, rapid prototyping, verification testing, test engineering, supply chain, and also product groups. And we, of course, do test engineering. How can you test products? How can you qualify them so that they, of course, correspond with the requirements? This is the new product development, and then manufacturing products to have serial production. Well, prototyping, maybe a few more details. We have the possibility to do CND drilling and milling and cutting of wires.
In unserem Produktionsbereich haben wir quasi
in our production area, we can offer all technologies in categories, and they are here together in that center. And we have concentrated on the following key subjects. This is precision measuring. Here we want to analyze and measure products or parts of them. How can I qualify them? How can I detect defects? Then a big area is adhesives. So we have different applications, how you can glue certain elements. Here you can choose them. You can choose the right glue or get the ready serial equipment when parts are glued. And serialization, this is another word which we call MPI, new product introduction. What are the important steps in order to have a prototype and to get a serial production out of that prototype? And another thing, fluids, liquids. Here we characterize systems which can analyze a few microliters per hour, though that's less than 1 drop per hour. And technologies, we have ultra sound, welding, bending, milling, and also screwing technology. And a lot of our products are always linked with acoustical emotions, especially in the automotive field. Noise is an important subject. When you have a noise chamber and a microphone, which is linked with the camera, and then we can show visually where noise is emitted and also the frequency of the sound waves, which is very important when analyzing systems. And the last item is automation and smart testing. And here you see how can tests be automatically realized? How can you qualify products in order to guarantee delivering a good product to the customer? And the last step, this is our analysis equipment, and the most used system is the CT scanner. Here we have the possibility to scan products up to 30 centimeters and to look into products without destroying them. And this is very convenient for a lot of applications. And here we can also offer environmental testing, climate chambers, classical three-dimensional measuring, vibration tests, as we have said already, additional chemical error analysis, electrical safety testing, and shock tests. This is the overview about Jabil VIENNA. It would be nice to find a partner and cooperate in the future, independent of the bootcamp. Thank you.